Dashboards are powerful tools for visualizing data and gaining insights into various aspects of business performance. They provide interactive and intuitive interfaces for users to explore and analyze data. Here are the key components and features of SAC dashboards: interactive charts and graphs, smart insights, storytelling, predictive analysis, financial performance management, human resources analysis, sales and marketing analysis. Welcome to a quick walkthrough of the Mill Production Dashboard, a powerful tool designed to provide real-time visibility into your mill's production operations, efficiency, and quality metrics. This page, titled Mill Production Overview, gives you a high-level snapshot of your mill's operational health, covering inventory, output, waste, and machine availability. We begin our story with the key production KPIs. Currently, the stock quantity stands at 1 million metric tons, showing the total inventory available across your mill's plants and warehouses. This is essential for balancing supply and demand. Next, the production quantity reflects an output of 5 million metric tons, highlighting your mill's overall manufacturing capacity and throughput performance. Moving on to efficiency, the scrap percentage is at a low 0.47%. A vital indicator of your mill's ability to minimize material waste and optimize raw material usage. Lastly, average machine downtime clocks in at 5%, reflecting equipment availability and maintenance impact on production continuity. This helps plant managers monitor the effectiveness of maintenance schedules and avoid unexpected stoppages. Together, these KPIs offer a clear, actionable overview of your mill's production status, enabling leaders to quickly assess operational health and resource utilization. Next, let's dive into detailed analytics that bring your production data to life. The scrap percentage over time line chart reveals fluctuations in scrap rates, allowing you to identify trends, seasonal impacts, or effects of process improvements on waste reduction. The production quantity versus sales volume chart compares your mill's output against market demand by region, helping align production planning with actual sales. The lead time trend per customer line chart tracks delivery lead times, highlighting your responsiveness and ability to meet customer expectations. Finally, the scrap versus production quantity scatter plot uncovers the relationship between scrap levels and production volumes, helping identify inefficiencies during peak output. Using this dashboard, you're not just monitoring data, you're unlocking real operational value, identifying bottlenecks, improving quality, and driving process efficiencies backed by real-time insights. Now, let's move to the production performance and efficiency page, a focused view designed for production supervisors, quality managers, and plant leaders to monitor and improve operational effectiveness. Starting with key metrics, the number of defects is currently 25 units, pointing to ongoing quality challenges that require focused corrective actions to reduce waste and rework. The on-time delivery percentage sits at 85%, reflecting your mill's ability to meet customer deadlines, a critical factor for customer satisfaction and supply chain reliability. Your order backlog shows 24 pending units, highlighting work that needs immediate attention to avoid delivery delays and lost revenue. The average lead time of 25 days measures the total order-to-delivery cycle, helping identify bottlenecks and streamline production workflows. Together, these KPIs provide a clear picture of your mill's operational health and areas for continuous improvement. The order backlog per sales organization and country heat map visualizes backlog distribution by region and organizational units, helping prioritize production order clearance. The defect count per material and plant bar chart pinpoints where quality issues are concentrated, enabling targeted interventions. Additionally, the scrap percentage per grade and material bar chart gives insights into waste by product grade and material group, supporting cost-saving initiatives. The production summary table consolidates key measures: production quantity, lead time, backlog, defects, and scrap by material, plant, and work center. For example, aluminum production at the Beijing plant's cutting station shows high throughput with low scrap, while Berlin's rolling mill handles larger volumes but with slightly higher defect rates. Filters by material groups: aluminum, copper, steel, grades, production sites, and sales regions empower users to drill down for root cause analysis and corrective action planning. This page empowers you to make data-driven decisions that improve quality, reduce waste, and enhance production efficiency. Finally, welcome to the Sales and Order Fulfillment page, your real-time window into sales performance and order fulfillment across your mill's operations. Designed for sales managers, supply chain planners, and analysts, this page delivers insights to optimize sales strategies and ensure timely delivery. Key performance indicators start with sales revenue totaling $26 million, providing a snapshot of financial performance and growth trends. Sales volume at 256,000 metric tons measures market demand and sales effectiveness. Stock quantity of 1 million metric tons shows current inventory, crucial for managing supply and preventing stockouts or excess. Production quantity of 5 million metric tons captures the total output, ideally aligned with sales and stock levels for smooth supply chain flow. The sales revenue per distribution channel bar chart highlights which channels, direct sales, retail, wholesale, drive the most revenue, informing channel investment strategies. The revenue contribution per material group pie chart breaks down sales by material categories, spotlighting top-performing products and margin opportunities. A heat map of stock quantity per plant and work center reveals inventory distribution patterns, helping operations detect overstock or bottlenecks. The sales volume per customer group and region chart provides granular views of sales across segments and geographies, valuable for tailored marketing and fulfillment strategies. Together, these analytics enable you to make impactful decisions that grow sales, improve customer satisfaction, and streamline operations. It's not over yet. SAC also allows the export of data from individual charts or entire dashboards from SAP Analytics Cloud, ensuring that your data insights are easily shareable and accessible to your intended audience. It is a useful feature for sharing insights and reports with stakeholders who may not have direct access to SAC. We can export into Excel, then show and extract table data into Excel, and finally, export the dashboard as a PDF. Models in SAC define how data is organized, stored, and processed, enabling users to build accurate and insightful reports and dashboards. They support a wide range of features, from data integration and preparation to advanced analytics and collaboration, enabling users to create comprehensive and insightful analytic solutions. They are flexible, as we can add additional fields as per the customer's requirement. For further information on these dashboards, KPIs, or required features, please contact VASPP Technologies.